In this short video lesson, I would like to show you a beautiful phrase that you can play in Wildwood Flower. This is a great song, everybody knows it. And in the B part, you know when we go those 4 bars, right there we are playing a C chord for 2 bars. Da, 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 So C for 2 bars, F for 1 bar, and back to C. Instead of holding the C chord for 2 bars, we can play a nice chord substitution there that goes like this. Da, 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 da. Let me play this without singing. So what I'm doing, I'm simply going E major, 7th, if you will, and then A minor. And again, I'm playing that instead of holding the C chord for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go to F, da, 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 and back to C. Okay, and now we need to combine the melody notes. Okay, we need to combine that melody with the new chords, and we can play something like this. Okay, so let me do it again. And then we keep going, right? Now I will break it down super slowly. I go E chord, C chord, and then I go to an E chord, a simplified E chord. I'm not moving the middle finger, and my index goes from the 2nd string to the 3rd, 1st fret, and I play the 4th, the 3rd, and the 1st. Okay, and then I play a pinky note, that's a D note, 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then for the A minor, I just strum from the 5th string to the 2nd string. So again. Alright, so make sure that when you play that strum from the 5th to the 2nd string, make sure not to play the 1st string, because that's not part of the melody. The melody is that high C note. Okay, one more time. And from there, I just played a little phrase taking me from the A minor to the F, and I'm playing the C note with an upstroke. I pull off, and then I play another upstroke here. This is 3rd string, 2nd fret, open G, and then I go to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, E, and then I land on the F note. Okay, so make sure that's an offbeat. And you see I'm faking the downbeat with my hand. 1, 2, and then I'm ready to play the upstroke. And for the F bar, I play that's really simple. F, and then hammer on the 3rd string, and then 2nd string, 1st fret, and back to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And the very last note, open G, and that open G takes me to the C chord. So that's the 2nd and the 3rd and the 4th bar. from the very top. And up to speed one more time, like this. So that's a little phrase, beautiful phrase for Wildwood Flower, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you like this variation. And I didn't come up with this idea. It's almost a common little variation for Wildwood Flower. Maybe I think that Tony Rice played this little variation, something similar to that. Anyway, in the first place, let me know in the comments if you are planning to use it, and if you want more lessons like this, flat picking lessons, go to my channel. I have an instructional channel over at TrueFire. It's called Flatpicking Experience, and you can find my channel there and subscribe to it, and I'll be glad to see you inside. All right, I will see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.